Hello you guys, welcome to another Tuesdays in the Attic where Jen and I are going to take old scrap room freaky fast formulas and play with them. Bring them out of the vault. I'm going to play with my not so perfect how to kill a kit with style today. Let's get some cutting and pick out some pictures. Y'all, I've been playing since I left you and said I was going to cut things. So I've got my cuts. I've got my 2 1/4 by 6, my 4 by 4, my 4 1/4 by 4, my 3.5 by 7.5 are these two, and this is my 2.5 by 3. Okay. I really wanted some of this color, but I don't like that pattern so much, but I thought this would work. I grabbed this cute little photo of my nieces, backed it in some pink cardstock, and then put it on this scrap that I was going to use last week that I didn't. And I was just going to layer them up here, right here. And I really liked this kind of stacked look of the papers, kind of haphazard. And then when I was looking through all the things I had in this kit, I decided I was going to use one of these dies. So I did the word favorite and backed it on some pink cardstock. And then I remembered I was going to kind of put this, I want this kind of haphazard, but this is going to be straight. And then I remembered I had the stamp set. So I grabbed some labels, some L Studio labels that were pink, and it's on this purpley cardstock, so it kind of pulls in the purple through, but more pinks and stuff, and it's not super vibrant purple. But so I have the stamp for family right there, and it's gonna fit the best on one of these longer ones, unfortunately, but that's okay. So we're gonna stamp family, and I think Dusty Concord, and then I have Seedless Preserves out as well, because I tried those two out and they both kind of look, Dusty Concord looks the best, but I thought Seedless Preserves would be good. So I got a little circle heart. This one's like some stitches, and then what's this one say? Everyday Goodness. So I've got all the stamps ready. I was gonna do some stamping on some labels. We're going to tuck these in places because I don't think this will be good on here. Maybe. It's hard to see. No, I need it on the bigger one. So I was going to stamp on there. So let's do some stamping. Actually, before I screw up all my papers, because I also want to take some of those other stamps. Let's get this glued down. I have an idea. I don't know if I'm going to do it yet, but I have an idea. I don't think I'm going to use the stitching one because I really like what I've got going on. So we're not going to add any more stamps, but I am going to add some splatters of both colors. And I need some alphabets. And then what I want to do is take this and add, so we're gonna take out like a chunk like this. Right? There we go. There we go. I like that. Okay, and then RBF. I know that also stands for something else, but we like to call our root beer floats RBFs. So you can have an RBF with an RBF. That's fine. There we go. Perfect. Perfection. There's my layout. Very, very, very simple. Nothing crazy at all. But it's effective. It's colorful. I love it. There we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out Jen down below, and keep tuning in. Every Tuesday we've got a new Tuesdays in the Attic for you. We're doing all scrap room freaky fast formulas back all the way back. So appreciate you. We'll see you next time. Bye. And of course I did find some things to add to it. So there's a couple extra things tucked in here and there you can see on these close-ups. But that's all. Thanks, guys. Bye.